It's the 24th of December. I need to make a YouTube video. Yo, what's going on everyone? Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I'm going to be doing a bunch of different things. I'm going to be going snowboarding, I'm going to be going snowshoeing, I'm going to be eating a bunch of food. Anyway, enjoy the video.
My grandma made some nice pancakes. They were pretty yummy. We had them with like butter and maple syrup and some yogurt. As you can see, I'm a professional butter spreader. But yeah, it was really yummy. I ate a bunch of it because what I'm about to do next will require a lot of energy. Okay, I'm finished eating breakfast and now we're gonna go snowshoeing down or up or somewhere around the village to try to get a Christmas tree. Then I switched cameras. We're gonna be going down there, down way past that little hill, and yeah, I'm gonna get my snowshoes on now. Then we started walking. Okay, I'm gonna jump down this little hill here with my snowshoes. Here we go. What could go wrong? All the footprints you see on the ground are from like animals. Lots of like deer and I'm not sure if there's elk. I don't think there is, but there's another kind that is kind of like a deer and it barks. I can't remember what it's called right now. Okay, yeah, as I said before, the reason we're here is to get a Christmas tree. And a few months ago, I think in like October or so, we went on a walk down here and there was no snow. And we saw a few like little patch of really nice looking Christmas trees. We're gonna go down to the bottom here and we'll get a little tree. And then, yeah, we're gonna go look at an abandoned house. And yeah, I will see you in a second. There you can see the abandoned house already. It's way down there. We've got quite a ways to go still. Oh darn, there's no snow left. I've
got a problem.
Should we take the snowshoes off? Or just walk like this?
Or we just walk on the snow. Yeah.
Okay, this should be good for a skiing place. Here we go. How do you get up from this? There we go. Okay, I'm gonna ski down this thing as well. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Oh. Oh, he's going down as well. I think I'm causing a mini avalanche. Okay. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, we've just went over this fence. Now we're gonna go down there to that old abandoned place. And there should be a patch of Christmas trees right down there. So, my dad's already gone forward, and now I gotta catch up with him. Let's go look at this abandoned building quickly. We can't get too close though, because it'll like collapse. But yeah, let's go look at it. I'm pretty sure this house is just like one of those houses that the farmers used to use. Farmers would come and live here in the summer while all of their animals are in the field here. And yeah, it is not very stable as you can see up there. So I'm not gonna go inside, but we can look quickly. Yeah, it's pretty demolished. Might be a dead body down there. But for legal reasons, that was probably a joke. Anyway, down there's some trees, and we're gonna take one or two. Yeah, my grandma needs one as well. I don't know.
It's got a long top to it.
It's also not very bushy. One of those would be good, but they're pretty big. How about this one here? For a Christmas tree, it's like normal.
Are you gonna drag it up?
I don't know, but like one of those is kind of tiny, right?
How about we get one for Grandma?
Yeah.
This one here,
Sure.
and this one for us.
Okay.
Or the one beside it. Which one is nicer? This one or that one?
I think that one is, because it's a bit bushier. Do you think? Okay, let's do this one and that one. Okay, this is the tree for my grandma. I'm gonna cut it around here, and then we're gonna bring that up after. There we go. There we go. now I think I'm gonna take off these lower branches. Here we go. Got a pretty nice looking tree. Maybe we'll trim this a bit later as well. But for now, it's looking pretty good. Now let's cut this one. Okay, now we've got the second tree here. I'm gonna cut this one around here, I think. There we go. Okay, now we've got our 2 trees, and now we gotta walk 1 kilometer up this mountain, which is gonna be pretty steep, and we have to take 2 trees behind us, and there's snow everywhere. It will be kind of difficult, but I'm sure we can do it. Like on the Xeschel channel, we can do everything. Especially subscribe. We can subscribe, right?
We have to figure out how we're going to carry this thing up, and I thought we would tie it to our backpack, so let's see if this works. Ta-da!
Okay, now we've got our things on our backs, and we gotta walk up that huge mountain. Let's do this. At the beginning it started off pretty easy, but the further I went, the more tired and exhausted I became. By the time we got to the top of this hill, like it was like I was done. My legs were like killing me, and so. But thankfully, I took my snowshoes off because there's no snow anymore, and we just walked up on the grass. Yeah, that was pretty tiring walking up this hill. Definitely won't be doing that again today. Okay, we're quite a bit higher up now, and the village is over there. So if we get there in time, we might still have time to go snowboarding. Okay, everyone, the road is right there. I am absolutely exhausted, but we've made it. That was definitely a good workout for the day. Okay, that's the most sweaty I've been in a really long time. Very tiring. Now we're gonna go over to our van, and then I'm gonna go snowboarding. And yeah, I've recently gotten into snowboarding. This will be my 4th time going. And yeah, I found it a lot cooler than skiing. I feel like that's a very controversial thing to say. We're gonna go there. I'm gonna do some snowboarding. We got to the ski resort, and it's really nice because it's around like half an hour away from our house, so we can just go for like an afternoon to go snowboarding. We've arrived on the chairlift. Am I the only one that thinks it's like really nice and peaceful when you're going up a chairlift because it's all like silent and there's like forest around you? Yeah, I find it really cool. Then I picked up my snowboard from the next chairlift. And with that, my day of snowboarding began. Keep in mind that this is only my 4th time I've ever snowboarded in my life, so if I'm not doing any like cool tricks or anything, that's why. I'm still proud of myself though, of how far I've come since my first day, so yeah. When you're actually snowboarding itself, it feels like you're going way faster, but then when you look at the video afterwards, it feels like you're only going like walking speed. Since I'm still quite a beginner, I didn't go up to any of the really big pistes. I just stayed by the little like kids one, which I still think is pretty fun because I was able to work on my curves and everything without needing to worry about like flying off the side of the mountain. After failing a few times, man. Almost. I decided that I would try to make one of those cool slow motion turning videos, which actually turned out to be a lot more difficult than I thought it would be. I tried quite a few times until I got a few that looked kinda good. Once I was tired and the ski resort was about to close, we decided to leave. We watched the sun go down as we went down the chairlift, which was pretty nice. Then the chairlift didn't slow down when my dad tried to get my snowboard, which was very funny to watch. Our tree turned out to be a little bit too long, so we trimmed it a bit so it fit inside of our tree holder. So, turns out we didn't have a tree holder, so we had to improvise and drill a piece of wood to the bottom of the tree.
plan is to put the tree into this pot here and put like a piece of wood on the bottom of the tree, as you just saw. So that will hopefully make it stable. And we're going to put it on here, decorate it a bit, and then fill this thing up with water.
Next thing we did was get all the decorations ready. We attached a bunch of little fishing wire onto them, and then I attached them onto the tree.
Ta-da! It's a pretty simple tree because we didn't have very many ornaments, but I think it looks kind of nice and simple and like minimalist.
Anyway, I hope you all have a really nice Christmas or whatever you're celebrating. And yeah, I'm just gonna be chilling at home a bit, doing some snowboarding, doing some German learning, and yeah. For dinner we had fondue, which if you don't know what it is, it's basically a bunch of boiled cheese that you dip pieces of bread in. The most healthy meal that exists. And yeah, that's pretty much all it is. 2022 is just around the corner, and my big goal this year is to try to work a lot on my YouTube channel, get a lot of really good content, and maybe get like 300 subscribers, which would be awesome. If you want to help me with that, if each one of you tells 2 of your friends to subscribe, I'll be at 681 subscribers, which would be completely awesome, but that probably won't happen, so I'll be happy if I get 300. You know what? I'll be happy if I get 0. I'm already happy with my YouTube channel. Anyway, see you in the next video. Bye!